We know how to use procreg to estimate a model and how to interpret the results. But that is just the most fundamental things about a model. And there are much more we can get from a model apart from just estimating the regression coefficients. By specifying options in the RAG process, we can get a residual and predicted value. These things are very useful when you want to evaluate the fitness of the model. So how can we get that? Well, here is the original RAG process. What you want to do is you want to add a new line below the model command. We tell SAS to output the extra information. Output. And have it output to a new dataset named reds. Reds stands for residual. Then we write about what we want in the output. We want the residual and the predicted value. So we go residual equals resid. This means we want to store the residual of the model to a new variable called resid. Resid also stands for residual. Be careful to distinguish this variable to the data name, res. Alright, after that, we also want the predicted value by the model, so we write P equals pred. P stands for predicted value. This is saying that we want to store the predicted value to a variable named pred. Pred stands for prediction. Alright. Now run this process. You can notice that it seems nothing has changed in the result. That is because we asked the process to output the result to a table, so it is not shown here. To see the result, we can print it. So proc print, you still remember this process, right? And we give the data, so we want to print reds and run this. Okay. Now you can see there are two additional columns, namely pred and resid. Keep in mind how we did this. It's gonna be useful in the next lecture. Bye.